How to connect GoDaddy domain to Systeme.io step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through how you can connect a GoDaddy domain to your Systeme.io. So all you're going to do is you're going to sign in with your Systeme.io. And as you can see, I have headed into my dashboard. Now, once you're into your dashboard, what you can do is you're going to go into your settings to obviously set a domain for yourself, and you can obviously go into different things for domains. You can go into your account. Once you're in your account, it's going to give you all these necessary things. Now, obviously, you can choose what kind of email you want to go with, and it also depends on your plans as well. Like, you can choose a custom domain on these different plans. So there's freemium, startup, webinar, unlimited. I would go with the startup plan. The freemium is, although the free plan is the best, but I would go with the startup plan because in the startup plan is where you get the most stuff. But yeah, moving on, you're going to come to email address and you're going to come to domains, okay? And once you're in your domains, it says, oops, it looks like this is empty. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a domain for yourself. And the way you add that is obviously just go over to GoDaddy's website. And once you go over to GoDaddy's website, choose whatever domain you would like. And whatever domain you like here, you're just going to authenticate it. So, I'm just going to call it something random. Let's say there's this domain that I want to have. So I'm going to click on search. Once you click on search, as you can see, this is my domain. I'm going to make it yours, make a payment, and then I'm going to confirm it over here by clicking on authenticate, add in your domain name, verify that it's your domain, and there you go. That is how you're going to connect GoDaddy domain to Systeme.io, and you're good to go. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.